Hi. If you are experiencing a weird noise when you turn the steering wheel in your 2012 Ford Focus, like a kind of noise, this is what it is. I tore apart the whole steering column and took the gauge cluster out, trying to figure out what it was. Just to realize, let me come down here. Okay, come all the way back. I'm gonna put my phone in here. What's that? That is a zip tie conspicuously around the steering shaft to a piece of metal on the dashboard frame. And you can see by the wear, it's been doing that for a long time. What the hell is that supposed to be? I mean, here, I can get my hand back here. I mean, I can, maybe. Might actually come around from the bottom, might be easier. Hold on. What is... I mean, come on. Here. Not sure if you can see that. Ouch. Yeah, see, it's tied around here. All the under here, it's tied here. I mean, let me pop it off. I mean, this ain't a normal zip tie. Even this. Oh, here we go. Here it is. I ripped it off. It's not even cut or anything. It's it's a weird zip tie too. You know, this sucker's been rubbing on that for a while. Let's look at the damage on the steering shaft. Wow, look at that. Come on, focus. It's like a whole groove around the steering shaft from where that thing's... Or it's not like a groove, but it's like wear. From where that thing's just been rubbing on it for 14 years. Really? And I tore apart the whole thing trying to figure out what the sound was, just to be that. What the hell? Like, what the hell? Why? Why would they do this? What is this even for? Why?